Let's be real, you've tried to rest, take breaks, maybe even go on vacation, but somehow you still feel tired. Not just physically, but mentally. You wake up drained, your motivation is gone, and even the smallest tasks feel overwhelming. That's not just tiredness, that's burnout. And the truth is, most people don't recover from burnout because they don't actually understand what it is. So in this video, I'll explain why you're still burned out, what's really causing it, and how to fix it, step by step. Let's start with the truth. Burnout isn't just about overworking. You can rest all weekend and still feel empty. That's because burnout isn't only physical, it's emotional, cognitive, and even existential. It's not that you're doing too much, it's that you're doing too much of what doesn't align with you. Reason number 1, you're resting the wrong way. Most people think rest means doing nothing, scrolling, watching TV, or sleeping extra hours. But that's passive rest. It helps your body, but not your mind. There are actually 7 types of rest: physical, mental, emotional, sensory, creative, social, and spiritual. If you only rest your body but not your mind, you'll wake up still exhausted. So ask yourself, what kind of rest am I missing? Maybe you need time away from screens. Maybe you need quiet. Maybe you need inspiration. True recovery comes when you rest in the way your burnout was caused. Reason number 2, you've lost control. Burnout thrives when you feel powerless, when you're stuck in situations that drain you but you can't escape. Maybe it's a job, a routine, or expectations from others. The fix is to reclaim micro-control, small areas of choice in your day. You might not control your workload, but you can control your morning routine, what you listen to, or how you end your day. Small decisions rebuild your sense of agency, and that sense of control is what starts healing burnout. Reason number 3, you've confused discipline with pressure. You keep telling yourself, I just need to push harder, when in reality, what you need is to slow down and reset. Discipline is about consistency, not intensity. Burnout happens when discipline becomes punishment, when you're chasing productivity instead of purpose. You fix this by switching from outcome goals to process goals. Don't aim to be perfect. Aim to show up consistently in a sustainable way. Reason number 4, you've stopped doing things that refill you. Everything you do either drains your energy or restores it. But burnout happens when your day is filled only with tasks that take work, responsibilities, deadlines, and almost nothing that gives. You need to actively schedule restoration, not wait for it to happen. Whether it's a hobby, music, nature, or even solitude, you have to refill what life is constantly draining. Reason number 5, you've ignored emotional burnout. Sometimes burnout isn't about work at all, it's about emotional overload. Constant stress, unresolved frustration, or pretending you're okay when you're not. Emotional exhaustion is silent, but it's the most dangerous kind. You fix it by being honest with yourself and setting emotional boundaries. Say no. Step back. Protect your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. Now, here's how you fix burnout in a real, sustainable way. Step 1, identify the source. Ask, what's draining me the most right now? Be brutally honest. It's not always your job. It could be people, habits, or even your own expectations. Step 2, rebuild rhythm, not balance. Everyone talks about work-life balance, but life doesn't work that way. You can't balance everything equally. Instead, think in rhythms, periods of push and periods of rest. Just like training a muscle, you need recovery cycles. Step 3, restore what's missing. If you've been overstimulated, you need quiet. If you've been lonely, you need connection. If you've been bored, you need challenge. Your body and mind are giving you clues, listen to them. Step 4, reconnect with purpose. You don't burn out from working hard. You burn out from working on the wrong things for too long. Find meaning again, even in small actions. Ask yourself why you started in the first place, and whether that reason still matters. Burnout isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign you've been strong for too long without support, without rest, and without alignment. The cure isn't quitting everything. It's rebuilding yourself with intention. So the next time you feel empty, don't just rest, recover. Don't just escape, realign.